Hello, I am Holly Briggs, and this is my week 5 interview assignment. All right, the question for today is, what are two potential pitfalls of using recursion, and how could you overcome these challenges? All right, the first pitfall could be would easily be stack overflow. In order to make a recursive call, it's essentially a loop. It's calling itself, and so it makes this call. But because it's a recursive loop, it's not this operation cannot complete. So you need the next one and the next one and the next one. It will create this call stack of the following operation until it reaches its base case, and then it can resolve the results, and then that result means the next one can be resolved, and the next one, the next one, the next one. So you're kind of going down and you're coming back out. Anyway, and these in a case where this call stack becomes enormously large, it can cause a stack overflow error, where it just decides this is too large. And anyway, so that's definitely a performance problem, and obviously it's not going to work and stuff. And so you need to do something like um, tail recursion if the language allows for it, or you need to be aware and stuff when using recursion to realize that maybe certain circumstances it's just impossibly large, or it just won't work. Anyway, another problem would be redundant computation. So imagine, remember that stack, right? And stuff. In every single one of these operations, you're doing so much of the same work over and over and over. And why do you need to like reprocess the exact same data, right? Anyway, a way to account for this is memotization. Basically create a structure that can store the what your operations are returning, so that instead of doing the operations, it can reference those directly and pull that information so that it doesn't need to perform the calculation. It just knows what the calculation, the result of it is, and stuff. And that can save a lot of time and eliminate some redundant computation. Uh, and readability. Sometimes, recursion can be a little less readable and a little less understandable, or at least can be a little more complex to write. I did find when I was doing my assignments, it took me quite a long time to like figure out how to accomplish it. But often it can become more readable because, like, my ultimate solutions on my assignment this week, they were actually rather simple. When I arrived at the solution, I was surprised how simply written they were. Anyway, that would be my assignment this week. Thank you so much and have a good day.